Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So if you've typed in this program that says 10, quote, print, no, scratch that, 10, print, quote, Butterfield, quote, and hit return and typed run, and it indeed prints Butterfield, you have written your first program. We went through this already. Now, if you want to do it differently, change it a little bit. Now type in 20 and type in GOTO10. Hit return or enter. If you have done this correctly, now when you type in run, it should then print Butterfield endlessly down the screen. You should see, and it will just keep going and going and going and going and going. And there you have modified your first basic program. Now, keep in mind, you shouldn't put Butterfield in there unless your name is Butterfield. This is a way to print your name on the screen, whatever that should be, or whatever you want to print on the screen. Next time, perhaps, we'll do a little something else to change the way things print on the screen. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.